Hi, welcome to this Sense of Number maths training video. My name is Dave Godfrey. I'm one of the 3 Sense of Number maths consultants. I'd like to show you how you might start to use our Sense of Number reasoning cards. Now, our Sense of Number reasoning cards come in a pack of 192. There are a set of 8 introduction cards plus 20 activity cards. I'm going to show you a couple of examples of those in a moment. Then there are 164 number cards featuring all the multiplication facts from 1 times 1 up to 12 times 12 plus the 20 other prime numbers up to 100. In the introduction cards, it includes one card like this which explains the number card. So if you look here, you'll see the number 54. On the left hand side, we've got the Slavonic abacus image, which I'll explain in a moment, and in the bottom left hand corner, the base 10 image. On the right hand side, we've got the multiplicand and multiplier, 2 factors of 54. The Slavonic abacus picture in the top left hand corner is the multiplication image because these cards are based on multiplication facts. So here is 9 times 6, so I've got 9, it's my multiplicand being multiplied by my multiplier 6 times, so 9 times 6, and you can see I've got 9 multiplied by 6. And the great thing about the Slavonic abacus picture is it's 5s, it's a 5 and a bit image. So I've got 9 is 5 and 4, which allows me then to reason about 54. I can see it's made up of 5 times 5 array, a 4 times 5 array, a 5 times 1 array, and a 4 times 1 array. So 25, add 20, add 5, add 4. So 25, 45, 50, 54. So that's the image in the top right hand corner. So here's a couple of quick games. If we played the cover-up game, which is based on the multiplication facts, this is what I'd do. I'd encourage the children to either cover up the product in the centre or to cover up one of the factors. So let's imagine I'm covering up the number in the bottom left hand corner here. The trading game is a trading game, so I'd walk up to another child around the room and I'd say, what's behind my hand? And they'd say, I think it's a 3. And I say, well, how did you know? And they'd say, well, I know it's 3 because 3 times 9 is 27, 9 times 3 is 27, 27 divided by 9 is 3, and 27 divided by 3 is 9. And I'd also hope the children would refer to the image in the top right hand corner because I've got 3 being multiplied by 9 up here. So I know that factor's a 3. Okay. So similarly, if I covered up this factor here, I'll say, what's behind it? Because I might then end up with this card the next time. Say, oh, I think it's a 4. How do you know? Say, I think it's a 5 because 40 divided by 5 is 8, 40 divided by 8 is 5, 8 times 5 is 40, and 5 times 8 is 40. So that's one game, it's called cover up. Here's another reasoning one. Let's go for this card. It says, could be, and it could be trading all around the room with different people. If I ended up with this one, the game would be, here's the answer, what's the question? So 48 is the answer, what's the question? My partner will be challenged to tell me something. So they might say, oh, what's 2 less than 50? They might say, how many hours in 2 days? They might say, what's 6 times 8? What's the difference between 52 and 4? Could be in a story context, could be anywhere. So here's the answer, what's the question? There's loads of games just like that.